Look at this, more sunny, dry weather, and I've just spotted the ducks on the pond. I was going to walk up there, can't now. I'll just switch this around. Yeah, I can switch this around and show you. My two little friends have come down for a little swim and clean up, and probably for some food. Apparently it's been one of the driest Marches on record, especially for us in the east of England. Hence why we're having to water a lot, which is quite unusual this time of year. We're into April now, and I don't see rain for at least another week, and we haven't had it for 2 or 3 weeks, so things need to be kept moist as possible. It's one of my bugbears that people don't hold on to rainwater more than they do. I've got quite a few water butts in the garden, in and around. I'll show you them actually. I have 1, 2, 3 here, feeding down by height into a system. Then I have one here behind the bay bush. That's 4. And then I have one here on the driveway. What I want to do is possibly put another one out here on the driveway, maybe in this corner here. And apart from saving water in dry spells, or for dry spells, it also shows the importance of mulching, keeping that moisture in the soil. This is the top of a metal oil drum. So I bought a metal oil drum, I don't know, it's £5, £10 or something, about 5 years ago. And I used the main bulk of the oil drum for an incinerator. And that's over there to be ready to be dumped, because finally after about 4 years the base of the drum has rusted and gone through, so that's going to the recycle. But the top part of the drum is still going strong, using it as a planter. So it looks like, far from killing the palm, Look at that. We've got 1, 2, 3 new shoots. That's a relief. So one of the jobs today is to separate out these blueberry cuttings. I'm not sure the soil in there is good to keep them in there any further. They look so they might be starting to turn, i.e. rot a bit. So I want to get them out, put them in some more sort of ericaceous compost, get them out of the damp a bit, and see if that helps them. I might even put some more rooting compost on the small roots they've got. Well, I hope they've got. We'll see. So first of all, as usual, bit of drainage, and we've got our plentiful supply of eggs. So just some of that in the bottom. Leave some of it semi-whole, don't crush up too small. Else it'll all fall through the holes. So you want some larger pieces of shell in there to hold the compost off the base. So we just fill these small pots. Well, half fill initially, I think. There we go. Now for this bit, I'm going to need my glasses. Trusty glasses. I have a pair in every room in the house generally, because I can never find them. What I've got to try and do now is split these up, these cuttings up, without damaging the root. I've never done this before. Oh, they're all just fall. Do you know what? When I said I thought they might have rotted, they have. There's no roots on them. Well, how were they producing new shoots? No roots on these at all. No roots. There, look, nothing. And yet they were growing new shoots. Bugger. I thought they were all taken. Sod. Not one root on any of those. What do I do? Do I persevere, put some more rooting powder on them and see what happens? Oh, I suppose I might as well, mightn't I? Got my trusty toothbrush, dibber. Because this is also dry, it's not making a hole. Oh, that'll do. Right, let's try and do it again. That's the upside down one. I'm a bit upset about this. I thought because they'd all produced shoots that I was home and dry, and they're taken. How little did I know. That's gardening for you. These two are virtual non-hoopers. I'll put those two together. That one, is that worth doing at all? Oh, I'll give it a go. Need another pot. Eggshell, soil, or compost. Right, I'm not too hopeful. I just can't understand how they've produced that growth without any root. But we'll see. I'm not hopeful, but if it comes through, it'll be a great surprise. Well, because of the possible failure of the blueberry cuttings, they may come back, but I doubt it. It drove me to look at these rosemary cuttings. Again, over the first 2 or 3 weeks, they seemed to be bright. They were quite strong, looked green, but now I can see they're starting to wilt a bit. So I'm just wondering if these haven't taken either. Let's see if I can get the bloody things out. There we go. Have we got any root? Oh, a few have. That one not. That one not. That one is a definite yes. Oh, that's cheered me up a bit. Oh, some of these are definites. Yeah, that's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 4 definites. These bigger ones are a no-no. But I suppose I could dip them again into rooting compound and see what happens. Give it a go. Right, we'll see how they go. So I found this old pot, all the paint's peeling off, you know, an old tacky pot, but I like reusing. So what I'm going to do is drill a few holes in the bottom of that, and then we can use some of these plants to fill it out. Fuck's sake. What is it, marble? I've got a masonry bit on, I've got it on hammer, it's not touching it. Fuck's sake. What the hell is this made out of? I don't know what the hell this is made from. Kryptonite or something. It's solid. All that time I've got probably a mil, maybe 2 mil in. That is bonkers. I don't know who makes this stuff, but bloody hell. Who makes this? QDOS Limited. Must be a carbon fibre core or something. I've hardly, probably can't see it, but I've hardly made a scratch in that. And that's with a masonry bit on hammer drill. Probably need a diamond cutter or something. That's mad. Oh well, another day. Well, that's another one done. Bit shorter than normal. Some sources say long form is better now, some short form. I started off doing about 6 to 8 minutes. Then I've been up to 22 minutes, something like that. This is back down again. I'm not sure what people sort of prefer, long or short, but maybe you can tell me in the comments. That pot I was drilling, I mean, bloody hell. As I said, made of kryptonite or something. I didn't get through it in the end. I'm going to have to try and get some sort of diamond headed drill bit or something like that and see if that works. But, you know, one of those things. You want more now? They come and tap on my window when I'm at my computer to tell me they're hungry. What are you going to do? Anyway, do what makes you happy, stay safe, keep gardening, and we'll see you soon.